kan pun khom na chan hi boy na siam tu ra mo khami zo khani lawa sani na hian governor of fiscal tangin congress party MPCC chuan prime minister of India nena governor kal tangin lekha thelu tura ro pung khom kan nia kan shet chuangin India rama Zirlaite protest na sa takin ating meka he protest om na chaning wage ka ti chuan paper leak ni paper leak te medical entrance paper leak CBSC scam ganti tele Zirlaite mga game inanom meka heng scam na sa takawang hiyan Zirlaite tam takin an maninum na te an lahiyala purahul gandian India ramun sang sanga Zirlaite muin India sarkar lai pui accountability nei turle ama sabera education minister he scam na sa tak Zirlaite antona kai kuang hi bang tura nor mekania chutiang bokin heng ni paper scam kan ti tele scam o mek hi parliament a discussion in he utin demand an nei mekani le jantar mantar ate student protest o meka nimin lama Zirlai poisa lo poisa lo tam tak andu lo lan tir pung khom police force nen hai sakan nia vuak tuarin tam tak lak laka FIR thelu mekani chumi dulo chuan purahul gandia leader of opposition tele AICC president pum Malik Arjun Kharge ten voina prime minister office an demand te soipui turin process on neya amaro chon ni po leader of opposition neu le India rama opposition party lian ber president po police in lo detain soisa kanitani chalakte aron tan zela pura hol ni te po ka athi se suga police in bobetin dikhan kai sakani Chuchukan dulo ema chuwangin sanin ayan MPCC president sa undak kunal tansaran sa inin Congress party chuchukan dulo ngale kandipa silma ititawan kandipa kan lekha kan thenu turhi kan senior vice president sa undak kunun mo e chuangowin inon chiya chuasak in ron soifia se chimi tan chuan sobila thange
lehi zanina Ras Bhavan kota kan pung khoma hi All India Congress Committee kan president pu khargile leader of opposition pu Rahul Gandhi ate Delhi tuna Zirlaite thafang hawinle Zirlaite ma khuangain Central Sarkar in ati lawavangin an normeka chumi kan support na India rama Zirlaite future an makwa kan ngayavangin India rama state zonga zani na hiyan Ras Bhavan kota helaya kan pun khom ang hiyan pung khomin Prime Minister sa umtak pu Narendra Modi nena memorandum an thelutek dona ni chutiang chuan keini Mizoram Pradesh Congress Committee te point zanina helaya pung khomin governor za umtak nena kaltangin Prime Minister of India nena memorandum hi kan thelut dona ni chuta chuan pu Rahul Gandhi at le AICC kan ho tu ten Delhi Central Sarkar an normek na kan thopa din India rama Zirlaite makwa dan noya an chan vote veng him zolo le chutiam turzonga maladu lo Central Sarkar ikan dema chuwangin hemi atana ma latutur mo purna lamas sa pertur chu Union Education Minister pu Dharmendra Pradhan ani chuwangin bangmal turin kan ngena tin hemi exam Zirlaite exam chi frang exam na thil diklo le fellow na salutu ko chung po Central Sorkarin ati tu lawawangin parlamenta heng chung chang te he soi ho na ngei ro se ti hi kan ngiat boka tin apathum na chuan nimina Delia Zirlaiten Anchon vo bo chiat ani na tele an makwa ra bea omawanga an dulo na lantir na police ten an mai sakna le an laka FIR te an te luka no kirmal ni rose ti hi zan ina Prime Minister nena Governor za omtak kaltangin kan President za omtak po laltanzara signature in kanton do na ni chuchu helaya kanon kalkom chana ni chuan malak na omzenia sorkarin ma central sorkarin ma alalawani chuan kan kalzel do na ni kan Zirlaite kan Zirlaite ma kuangayin le an future an hun local zel turatana an chanvo hum himsak ani theina turatan ma kan la zel donani Indian National Congress chu kan Zirlaite kan Zirlaite tan kan ding zel donani te zani na hian kan puang bokani.
Leader of Opposition Sri Rahul Gandhi MP staged a protest in front of the dumb and deaf Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, for brutally assaulting the students' protest yesterday. I want to speak to the police here as well as to the police in Delhi. Don't you have children? Aren't they not studying in schools and colleges? Will you beat them? We are talking for your children also. Don't stop us. We are talking for your future. We are talking for your family. Don't beat us. Our leader of opposition spoke for the students of the country, students of India, the future of India, and he was brutally assaulted. Our General Secretary organization, Sri K.C. Venugopal, who was pushed down, our MPs were pushed down. We were talking for the people. What is there for Dharmendra Pradhan to resign? We want Dharmendra Pradhan to resign. Why is Amit Shah ordering to hit the people? Do you have conscience? If you are a policeman in Delhi, would you have beaten down the students? Is the governor listening or sleeping in your comfort? Honorable, respectable governor, we keep saying, are you listening? Don't you have children? Don't you have grandchildren? Aren't they not studying? If you are so wealthy, they will be studying in big schools. But the normal people of India, students, they write the entrance examination. And that papers were leaked. Their futures were leaked. They were brutally beaten up. Our leader was beaten up. We want the Mizoram Pradesh Congress President's petition to be personally received by the Lieutenant General, respected Governor of Mizoram.
Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Bang Rose Kantigonya. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Bang Rose. Union Education Minister Bang Rose. Union Education Minister Bang Rose.
India lama Zirlaite tak tentu hai sakna tok mekani Sudah cuan medical MBBS zir turten India lama question koi tam tak BJP sarkar na goya ali ka toa India lam sarkar tu BJP sarkar me ka hian Zirlaite tan hian engang pot input sai ma se input sai thama se wai sun kha hal ru ka lo ni thi na ni chuwang chuan voinia India ma thalai tam tak delian pung khoma voinia te nimila tang te chutiang chuan delia pung khomin sarkara minister education minister nena ba de khelu tumin Minister Hibagro se, ku Prada na Hibagro se, din ang request ni. Di chuan Zirlaite tam takte, polisin liam na tak ang tuara. Tisen nan chua, ZEL pangan suda. Indian National Congress ang chuan bor. Ang bate ragulkan dia po, kuna hiyan sen me kani. So dia nga bang chuan zani na henaya gabor kumpang na karon pumphom ani.
Chalai le khathiam te BJP sarkar an beidong ema chuwang chuan India ram khopui New Delhi phei chu chalai ten an control meka naktu ka hian vana pa hol kota chalai le khathiam te an pung khom dona chuta chuan Congress suai tu athaya piai tel turin turin kan ngen sewa tin he chung chang hi Congress kan ho tu pa Rahul Gandhi leader of opposition hian nasa takin ma alameka Vaina Khan chalai pun khom na muna AICC president Khargele AICC ho tu te ankala Rahul Gandhi phei chuan police security te hian atuara tuna hian police custody an la detain me kani chuwang chuan zanira kan pun khom hi kan thop zia lan tir na te mi pui khawang kan hauna te ani ti kan sedonia do thai takin kan hom tu te kan lo ma ka nga buai na sia be mo peaceful taka ti kan tuma chu kan security te pon minan siat sakdon nia
India rama ni exam bangin mitan taten har sana to ka Union Minister Education Minister boinya ja heni exam paper liga bangyan mi som ni songin nuna tan to boinya he kan chalai tam taten exam ke me ya hildi lo mi kan tu lo bangin zani ayan ruasur noya kan protest governor nena memorandum kan chelut ani Tuhan memorandum pelu tu anak yang berada di tengah minton sak sakpo anak dia mabangin governor lesap tu apa lom tu kan sengal saya yang hun tak kan itu lo amai tu Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan Nenayan kan dulu tu kan nanti berhenti turin kan awal lah pun main kerja kau bangsuan saya nak kan song teh Union Education Minister Bang Rose ni kan ratahan punya yan kan chang lelok ani so. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Bang Rose. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Bang Rose. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Bang Rose. Sana lakukan song teh. Konsep takara hendak kan kau bagin Congress headquarters bikin lom tugas saya bukan